Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, great again, countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit your notification button. Silent. Big up yourself. Country girl, country boss, the whole crew. Big up on yourself. Now, may I take you now to Jamaica. 33 lane off Walton Park Road. That youth I get slapped with. Him name Reds. Them call him Reds Fashion. A youth who did come from uptown and thing, and him come from the area but him live uptown. And he lose him life last night. In one of the most fuck up way. May I show you how Jamaica run. Yo, the man them at Jamaica now play. You understand? A simple little conversation can cause big problem. Follow me. Now, the youth a pull up a one party, round robin, and when they left the man, them a tell him say, him can't park there, so. Or enough for park there. But, him start chase off the man, them and them thing there. You understand? And, him go party, and when him party and come back, you know them thing they go. A man just walk up on him and give to him, you understand? You see, you have to know how to treat people, especially in a dinner time, yeah. You understand? With a stranger, friend or family, you have to know how to treat people. You understand? You can't walk around with a chip on your shoulder and you're arrogant. If the man them say, yo man, you, no park yourself, park over there, so. You have to trace off the man them too. You come from the area now, you're uptown and you live uptown and you're big and you're this and you're that. And I don't reach him. Enough people, you know, may I tell you, what make them get caught up and fling away and dash around people do bad things to them and all them flex. Me know me not perfect, you know. But I one thing, countryman is a man. You understand? And me have logics. And countryman no coward. Countryman are no coward. You understand? Now, if you trace off the man them and I go a certain way, move your car and leg off of the road code that. You can't trace off the man them and you and the man them and not even friend and them thing them why. If friend and kill friend much less. So you have to know how to flex when you're there on the road and I do your thing. Now, from you look on him, you can't tell saying he's a nerd. Because remember me tell you, one time me and my bridging them stand up there and a boy come out, pass with some blood clot, people and thing and that. Flat me entire dog, bomba clot. You see what me I say, and that a just pan ego. Yeah, you walk past me, you go lift up your car and lift yourself. So I saw the mentality stay. So man and man have to know how to flex. Especially if you're on the road. You understand? And especially if you're a nerd. Yo, my name is Countryman. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Remember the membership section. Like me say, it's a little short video. Reds Fashion, slap it last night off Walton Park Road, 33 lane. Them a argue over car thing, cuss off the man them, party at them round robin thing, and when they come back, the man them slap him away. That's how it go. Countryman, I'm out.